New York Open recap. Let's go. Starting with the context for today's trading. So basically, I was going into this session with an idea that 8:30 has the PPI and I don't really want to touch the market prior to it. The higher time frame was clearly like still heading possibly higher towards the all-time high buy-side liquidity, but at the same time, like right before this session, we had left very smooth and nice and clean relative equal lows with a busy just underneath it. So I wanted to give like initial interest to it, that price maybe could draw down to it, but yeah, later I would find out that that wasn't the case. Right, so today I forgot to record my stream at the same time, and I cannot download it yet as it's still rendering for some reason, so I will use screenshots only. Nonetheless, this is the pre-market session here, and what I want to really like pay attention to is the sell-side liquidity in form of those relative equal lows that was being very close to being approached at the beginning of the pre-market, but the price failed to do it, and that, to be honest, was a red flag, or should have been a red flag in my head, to like be careful and not really touch it on the short side already. Then after buy side was taken, price just went into this very sloppy consolidation back and forth, so that was untradeable altogether. But nonetheless, that little insight there about those relative equal lows not being taken out, that was something that I should pay more attention to than I did live, that's for sure. So now, with the benefit of hindsight, the 4-hour CB above the relative equal highs buy-side liquidity, that was a hindsight draw for the price this morning, this day, and price just kept on going higher and higher, drawing to this area right here. So it wasn't really interested at all in the sell-side liquidity or any deep retracements. This is, as you can see, the 9:30 open, the morning session for the Nasdaq, and it just basically kept on going higher and higher, even though it had a premium opening range gap. So as I said, this type of day, you either kind of like are early in, so before this whole expansion, so probably like from Asia or London, something like that. Maybe the pre-market was like the lowest you could get, but if you miss that, then it's pretty difficult to engage it and not chase price higher. But nonetheless, yeah, it is what it is. That was the day today. So today I took an unnecessary loss, took an aggressive entry on a session that was completely not favorable for that outcome, and I find out, so need to shake it off and reset mindset and on to the next one.